equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The cable issue with the Dyson HD01 often arises due to wear and tear or accidental damage. If left unaddressed, it can lead to complete device failure, leaving you without a reliable cleaning tool. To tackle this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement cable, and some electrical tape. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged. Carefully open the casing using a screwdriver, taking care not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the damaged cable, which is usually frayed or broken near the connection point. Gently disconnect the cable from the internal components, noting the screw types and the force needed to remove them. When replacing the cable, ensure you connect it securely, avoiding any strain on nearby components. Reassemble the device carefully, ensuring all screws are tightened and the casing is properly aligned. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the cable for signs of wear and avoid pulling on it when unplugging. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.